In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Form using Google Drive. We'll start right from your Drive homepage, open a brand new Google Form, and then customize it so it collects exactly the information you need. Begin by opening Google Drive in your browser and confirming you're in the correct account and folder where you want the form to live. This keeps your files organized from the start and makes it easy to find the form later. Next, look to the top left corner and click the New button. This opens the creation menu for files and folders. If your window is compact, New might appear as a plus icon. You can also right-click in an empty area to see a similar menu. Both get you to the same place. From the menu, choose Google Forms. Depending on your screen size, you may need to hover over more to reveal it. If you see a small arrow beside Google Forms, you can choose a blank form or start from a template. For a clean slate, pick the blank option. A new tab will open with a fresh, untitled form that automatically saves back to your Drive, so you never have to worry about losing your work. Now, make your own form. Click Untitled Form at the top to give it a clear name and add a short description to set expectations for your respondents. Your first question appears by default. Use the drop-down on the right to choose the best question type. Short answer for names or IDs, paragraph for longer feedback, multiple choice for single selections, check boxes for multiple selections, drop-down for compact lists, linear scale for ratings, or grid formats for matrix-style questions. Use the plus button on the floating toolbar to add more questions. Toggle required on when an answer is mandatory. The two rectangle icon creates sections, which is great for longer surveys that benefit from being split into pages. You can drag questions to reorder them, use the duplicate icon to copy a question you'll reuse, and the trash icon to remove one you no longer need. Click the three-dot menu on a question to access options like description text, response validation, or shuffling choices, which can improve clarity and data quality. Click the palette icon to customize the theme with colors, fonts, and an optional header image that matches your style. Open the settings gear to control key options such as collecting email addresses or limiting responses to one per person. These settings help keep your results clean and consistent. Everything saves automatically to Drive. Rename the file at the top left and use the folder icon to move it into the right location. And that's it. Open Drive, click New, choose Google Forms, and build your form with the tools we covered. You're ready to create a clear, professional form right from Google Drive.